Hello everybody, I'm Roshan and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechnoKidz. I welcome you all to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the part 3 of multiplayer platformer in Scratch 3.0 series. So we'll be adding a few more sprites and then we'll start coding for the My Player Sprite. So we'll start by opening a TurboWarp link of a Scratch project. Now you will get this page. Click on See Inside. The link is also given in the description. Now you will see that there are about 9 new sprites. The first 5 sprites are the one which we already have in the project. Now right click on the sprites and click on Export. Like that, do it for the rest of the 8 sprites. Now go back to the Scratch. Now hover over this Choose a Sprite option, then click on Upload Sprite. Now you will see that you will get the sprites which we have downloaded. Hold the Control key and select all of them. 5 and then the rest 4. Now click on Open. Okay, so we have got everything we needed, all without code. So now hide everything here. Then after hiding everything here, especially the thumbnail, then open the thumbnail sprite. Now delete these 2 texts, Crystal Valley and the multiplayer platformer sign. Now you can keep this. The sun is an optional one. You can just remove it if you wish, or you can keep it if you wish. See? You can either remove it or keep it. Now, Control plus A and then make it a bit smaller so that it exactly fits. Okay. Now, go to the My Player Sprite. Now, we are going to start coding for the My Player Sprite. Now, drag the defined tick block out of this place and then go to Events, then scroll down to If Then block. If Then block, okay, we don't need if else, we'll use if then itself. Then go to Variables and then change. You will get one thing called SX by -2. Then go to the sensing category and then drag mouse X and then go to motion and drag out X position and then drag out this block from operators and then drag this also out. Then keep this here, X position here and mouse X here. Now go get this ant and then drag this outside and then put it inside this. So this block will be this much big. And then go to sensing again and mouse down. Get it here. And now get this OR block. This OR and then put it like this. Then drag that full block. Now put it here, then put this up here. Okay. So this is another issue. We can't drag both the blocks. So we'll just keep it like this for now and then scroll like this. Now put it here. Now scroll back here. And then OR again here. Then go here, then put this here and then duplicate this and then put it A key, A. Now you can see that we have got a big block. So we have to click it on the OR to drag the full block, and then set the space to left arrow, and then now put this inside here. So defined tick will be this much. Then go to control and then get another if then block, put this back here. So you can just duplicate this, put it here. We'll be changing a lot of them, but we can get the base correctly. Change this to right arrow and D key pressed. And now get this here and then get this here and then put it like this. This is for the movement. This is WASD and a left arrow key pressed and a mobile friendly scrolling platformer. Now duplicate this. Change SX by 2 this time and not negative. Now go to the thumbnail sprite and just hide it. So we can see what tick works, how tick works. It's just a movement of the player. Now go to variables and then set, get this to SX to, then get this SX out of here. Then go to operators, get this multiplication SX, and then type 0.8 in there, then put it here. Now go down here, if ABS of SX, put this here, then drag and hit this block, then go to operators, drag this out of here, then put it here, and then make this 0.9, then duplicate SX. So you can see that it has changed to checkpoint X. That's an automatic thing which happens before duplicating. So put it as SX here, then SX here. Then go here, my blocks, then change player X by, then go to operators, then go here, round, and then that will change to clonoids by right clicking it. Just put it back then, and then SX here, and then round here. So this is a simple action which happens when tick happens. So the way we run tick is simply when green flag click tick, or you can just run it by ticking here, just clicking on tick. Now you need to take this out, just duplicate this, put it below this, take this out, then put it to up arrow or W pressed, then remove this. Take out Y position from here, and then from sensing take out mouse Y, put it here, then put it as Y position, mouse Y. Now go to the control, then get if then block again, and then go to variables, and in air go to this. Now get this out, put it here, and then make 50 to 4, then go to variables and set SY. We need to get SY to 16. Then go to control and get another if block, then go to operators, if SY, then go here, get SY, put it as -20, put it here, then go here, change SY, and then put it to change SY by -2. Then go to my blocks and then change player y by, go to variables and go down and get sy. Then go to my blocks again and then then go here test die. Then go to variables and then go here set scroll x. Set scroll x to, we'll get one thing called, and then go here and x. Then get another if then block. Then go to operators, put it as 0, and then go here and get scroll x. Then we will set scroll x to 0. Then go to my blocks and get position, and then if block, then get this and this out, then keep this, then minus 180, and then go to variables and then y. Then we're going to looks and then go here, then go to sound, then start sound hurt, then keep this back and then go here, set exit, there's a variable called exit, set exit to die. So make sure you selected exit, and then go to my blocks and then reset. This will reset the game if you get hurt by a small saw or sharp things. And then go to control and get another if then get this, then go to variables, then x minus 220, then set x to minus 220. So we have completed the code for the tick custom block. Now we're gonna go to events, and then when I receive message, then make new message and begin. When I receive begin, then go to looks, then switch costume to black, and then get an forever loop, and then if R pressed, then go to sensing, and if key R pressed, this is for the color of the player, then set costume to red, then drag this out, duplicate this 3 times. So we have got three different colors other than black. So if then set this to green and then blue. So if G pressed, we'll go to green, and then if B pressed, we'll go to blue. So when we receive begin, just type R. You can see that the color of my player changes. See, we'll just hide other player. So click on the green flag first, then click on when I receive begin. So this started. See, red, green, blue. Black is the default color you get when starting the game. Then go to events and then broadcast, new message, tick. Now we'll scroll a bit this side and then get define position out. Then go to motion and then go to X. Get this here. Then go to variables. Then set X. And then get scroll X. And then Y. And scroll Y. Then go to operators. Then get this minus for both of them. And then scroll X. them here and then Y here inside this, and then put it again, then put X. So this is what position means. See, we have used position here. So what does position mean? We are finishing it now. So now go here, events, when I received tick, go to looks and then set size to 90%. Okay. See, even if we put the size as something big. Now if it receives tick sometime, we'll just define tick here, and then when I receive begin. See, when I receive begin, it broadcasts tick at the end. See, red, green or blue. If you click green flag once again and then begin, the color will be black automatically. Just click on the stop sign to stop the project. So we've reached the end of part 3 of multiplayer platformer in Scratch 3.0 series. So if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you really like this video and you're waiting for part 4 of multiplayer platformer series, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get a notification when I upload a new video. Bye everybody. See you all in my next video.